The birds are back here. We got the starlings just circling my tractor here, the 6130, mowing this field, and there's a ton of birds. I see several dozen probably circling around the tractor, changing direction and going at each other, dive bombing the front wheels sometimes. In fact, they like to get as close as they can to the front wheels. It's a 30-inch wide tire, if you're interested. 4 feet wide on the rear tires. Anyway, yeah. I'll show you the flickering lights here. That's a frequency reaction, or a frequency that's video can't keep up with, like the purple street lights on the street. Watch my other videos for more.